Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Yubo account. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Yubo app. To create Yubo account, tap on Continue with Google option. Now choose an account to continue to Yubo. Then tap on the Continue button. Now tap on the Create New Account button. Enter your first name, then type in your birthday. And then select your gender. Now add a face picture. To add a face picture, tap on the plus icon. And then among the four options, tap on any one of them. And then select a picture that you would like to add. Once you are done, tap on the Continue button. Then create a username. Then tap on the Continue button. Now choose the kind of friends you want to make on Yubo. You can perform change on this option later. Once you are done, tap on the Continue button at the bottom of your screen. Go through the information first and then tap on the Accept button. And this is how you can create Yubo account. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.